This is just a comparison. This is the inverter from the Panasonic microwave versus the transformer, linear transformer from the Oster microwave. This is the typical way of the older microwaves. And this allows the inverter microwaves are much more efficient. They don't have to deliver the same continuous power levels, and they can tailor it with the flyback transformer to whatever the need is. So here's another view of the turntable motor. A synchronous motor. This is from an older Oster microwave oven with a linear transformer, and this is the magnetron, and this would be the fan. So these are the key components: the fan, the capacitor, the fuse. This is the high voltage side feeding the magnetron. Now this unit, the magnetron was disintegrating and causing corona discharge. You can see the damage. This thing was disintegrating. So this is the thermal cutoff switch for the magnetron. This is the thermal cutoff switch for the oven itself. This is the lamp. And then we have the control panel. Where all the settings are pretty much programmed into the chip here. And this is the interlocks, the cutoff switches. Series of 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. To assure that there's no exposure to the operator from the microwaves. Everything shuts off before the door is opened. Small little package. So this is the Oster Microwave Oven, where we saw the magnetron was ablating metal, was severely corroded. So it bolts on here, and it sticks in here, and you can see there's a little scorch marks. On the other side, there's this cardboard. And you can see there's just enough opening to allow some gas flow. So there's my finger from that side. So then the microwaves penetrate through here, but you can see also the scorch mark.